So recently we saw the official teaser of the OnePlus 12R, which will first launch on January 4th in China and on January 24th worldwide. And today we have some specs and official details of the OnePlus 12R. The company is all about flexing its camera skills on Weibo. They recently posted some amazing shots on their platform, giving us a sneak peek at their main 50 megapixel camera. It's got an impressive f1.8 aperture and a 24mm equivalent focal length, though we still don't know about the sensor behind it. As you can see, the images taken by the OnePlus 12R have punchy colors and we can clearly observe details in the photos. Considering its price, the camera looks good, but we still need to test it in person to get a better idea of its quality. The OnePlus 12R will feature an awesome display to showcase the clear and sharp photos you have taken. The panel is officially called 8T LTPO, which is the same as the one found in the OnePlus 12. But in this you will get a 800 nits manual brightness and 1600 nits in auto mode. What truly impressive is the peak brightness of 4500 nits. The panel even got an A+ mark from DisplayMate. Moving on. As for the camera, we have to compromise in this department. The cameras, we have got a triple lens 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel camera module on the back according to this source. The three color options are apparently going to be iron grey, cool blue and copper gold, differing from the OnePlus 12. Finally, the leak suggests that the phone is going to be officially unveiled in China on January 4 before being released worldwide like the OnePlus 12 on January 23rd. That worldwide launch is set to include the US as well. OnePlus had previously hinted that 2024 would be the year when its mid-range R series become available outside of China, and it looks as though it's going to come packing a decent level of power when it does arrive. Pricing will of course be crucial as always, and it isn't mentioned in this leak. We will get the official cost of the OnePlus 12R when it launches globally on January 23rd, and eventually it might make its way into our best affordable phones list. So let me know what you think of this OnePlus 12R in the comments. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.